Hi everyone, thanks for staying tuned. As I said, my name is Sarah and today I'm showing you this 2017 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. As you can see, it's in this beautiful bright white color. We do have the from factory, the sun glare decals here on the front with the black accents of this vehicle. It's going to make it look real sharp for you. Coming off to the side here, obviously you have your standard size Firestone wheels here. It is trail rated, so it has gone through that vigorous testing for any off-road capabilities that you want. You obviously can see you got the roof racks here, deep tinted glass with the white and the black accents. Like I said, really sharp. It is a push button start vehicle, so you do have the built-in car starter as well as power trunk. You just hit this twice. The trunk should open up there for you with that backup cam showing. It also has the cargo management system. So it has the tonneau cover, which kind of blocks any views from anything on the outside here. Full size tire, and like I said, you got that cargo management off-road tools here. I'm going to show you some interior features, so stay tuned. Hi everyone, thank you for staying tuned. As I said, my name is Sarah and I'm showing you some interior features of this 2017 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. Coming into the interior, as you can see, it has this beautiful plush black leather throughout the vehicle here. That will help for any spills or anything like that if you do have children, or to help keep the hair away if you have any animals. Looking up above, you have the ginormous panoramic sunroof there. It's going to give you a lot of natural light, you know, enjoying those rays that we get every once in a while here in Alberta. Coming here to the middle console, we'll go through some stuff. So it has the full Uconnect system, as well as you have the backup cam, dual climate. You can see some of your applications here. Coming onto the controls, like I said, you got your heated seats and your ventilated seats for your driver and passenger, with the power seats as well, and the heated steering wheel. It has the automatic dimming rear view mirror here. You have the full connection with your Bluetooth, as well as access to Sirius radio here. You have all these safety features. So you have your park assist, you have your lane departure, you have collision detection, you have traction control. You can turn some of these features off, but like I said, they are a safety feature and they're standard to come on as soon as you turn on the vehicle. You also have stop and start. So that's stop and start. So if you're in an idle state, so like at a red light or anything like that, your engine will actually cut, which saves you money on fuel. And as soon as you put pressure on the gas, it just starts right back up. Like I said, giving you a better fuel economy with your vehicle. You do have the select terrain system here. So you have your automatic, which it has smart detection with, the weather that's going outside. Or if you would like, you can also select snow, your sport mode, just giving you a little bit more power there, your sand and mud, and your rocks. Like I said, this is trail rated, so it has gone through all the vigorous testings for your all-terrain capabilities. You have your full-size console here in the middle, as well as just the secondary top and the full glove box here, as well as storage here for anything small, and your sunglasses. It also has your universal garage door remotes. Coming on to the steering wheel here, you're going to see, so you can change your menus here. You have your Bluetooth, you have your cruise control, as well as adaptive cruise control. So you can set it to go a little bit closer to vehicles or a little bit farther behind, and literally just takes the guessing work out of driving your vehicle for you. Like I said, you have automatic lights, you have power seats, you have memory seats. This vehicle is going to be a great addition to your home. It has 0 accidents. So if you want to know more about this vehicle, give us a shout here at St.Albert Dodge, 780-458-8660, and see how easy it is to deal with us.